Hey guys, I'm doing this video, and the reason why I didn't post on Monday or Friday again for the past like 2 weeks was because I was busy and didn't have my phone with me where I was. I couldn't record all I had with my camera, and I can't record my camera because it has like really bad camera, and yeah. So we're gonna be doing an unboxing video because it's just it's like a butterfly with like red wings. It's really cool. Okay, and then this is the seat. I'm gonna do. This came in the mail, so I decided to do an unboxing video. Hands fuko. And the reason how I got this is because there's this boy on YouTube named Ryan Stalvey. You can go check out his channel. It's just Ryan Stalvey, and here's the link in the description on how to get it for free. It's just the Discover Kit. You can get the Discover Kit for free, and it's called. That's the website. See it on hanz.fuko.com. If that's how you say it, don't know. But it's like organic hair treatment for like to make your hair like really soft and clean and stuff. Okay, so that's what it looks like when you first open it. Those and then these 3 little cards, and then shampoo and conditioner in little bags. Okay. Some climation, skin cream, and then sponge wax. 3 little things, and then there's conditioner and shampoo in the baggies. Okay, and it's natural, from made in California. Okay, and then yeah, and it tells you on the back how to use them and what they do to your hair. Okay, and this, now I'm gonna show you how to use what they look like. This is a hanz fuko skin cream, and oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. That smells so good, and it's like a creamy texture. Oh my god, it's so cool. I'm kidding, I'm not doing it. Okay, I'm gonna use these tonight. Later, actually. Sponge wax. This one, I'm afraid for this one. God. That one, weird. I don't like that one. I'm using it because it's cool. It's cool. And then you can also, these are, I think they're plastic or glass, but you can reuse them and like, I'm not sure, but you can reuse them if you want. And then the climation, it looks like clay. Honestly, it looks like freaking clay or candle wax.
What are you doing? Trying to get his forest fires lately?
Oh.
Just kidding, baby.
Miss Linda's in the hospital.
Big hair.
My ankle. That was really awkward. Okay, this looks like candle wax. It's really weird texture. It feels like candle wax too. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Let me short video anyway. So, thank you guys for watching. Love you all. Have a good day. Hope you all have